This video is about the differences between mindfulness and meditation. Hi, my name's Jessie, and today we're going to check out the differences between mindfulness and meditation. There seems to be a lot of misconceptions when people think about meditation. They seem to think that if you are not sitting in an Om position on a mountaintop with no thoughts coming into your head, then you are not meditating. And that is about the furthest thing from the truth. So mindfulness is just being fully present in the experience. It's actually a form of meditation. So if you are mindful, congratulations, you've made it. You have meditated. But meditation is where you sit down for anywhere between 2 and 20 minutes, longer if you have time, and you focus your full awareness on your breath, a mantra. You can do prayer beads. Prayer is also a form of meditation. Mindfulness is just being immersed in whatever you're doing. If you're chopping vegetables, you're just chopping the vegetables. If you're out and about with your friends, you're not thinking about what you're going to do next. You're focusing your full awareness on the interactions that you're having with people and the experience that you're having with them. And also just pulling yourself back whenever you do start to project, or even if you start to go into the past and think about what fun you've had with this individual in the past and how much fun you're going to have in the future. You just want to be fully present. And what happens is this makes your whole experience so much more beautiful, because you are there, you're in it. You have nothing else that you could possibly gain from this experience other than just being present. Now, when we meditate, we just want to try to keep our thoughts in the present moment, continuously coming back to the breath. A mantra can be incredibly useful here. If we start the mantra, it can keep our mind focused if we have a very busy mind. So we just want to come back to the present over and over and over and observe our thoughts and observe our emotions, anything that comes to the forefront of the mind. And we want to acknowledge it, accept it, and then let it go. And accepting things, it doesn't always mean that we're okay with what happened, especially if something comes up and it is a difficult emotion or a difficult situation. What acceptance means is that it no longer affects us, that we're able to look at what happened, look at the emotions that came about, and say, you know, this isn't going to impact my life anymore. And sometimes this can take many meditations. Sometimes we can do a lot of really profound, difficult work and grow phenomenally as an individual during our meditation. And sometimes, even with mindfulness, we can acknowledge and accept and become a little bit more aware of our thoughts and a little bit more aware of our emotions, and ask ourselves, why are we acting this way? Why are we reacting to this situation? So there you have it, a little bit of difference between mindfulness and meditation. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, feel free to hit the little thumbs up button. If you would like to see more content like this, feel free to subscribe and click on the little gear notification button so that you are notified of videos that are similar to this in the future. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.